Hey everyone, welcome to another Throwback Thursday. This is Peter with GoodyReader.com. We have the Kindle X Migu. This is a collaboration between Kindle, Amazon, and Migu, which is a Chinese bookstore. Now, I have not opened this except for this outer plastic. This thing is still sealed. We have never had this before. We've only touched on it from some reporting source material we were given, but we've never actually had the device in our hands before. So we're going to look at it today. It is 2017, so it is 3 years old, which fits it perfectly for Throwback Thursday. You can see it's Wi-Fi, 4 gigabytes of storage, and a bunch of stuff in Chinese I cannot read. There's some things like the word down and like store I can read, but out of context, it doesn't make any sense for me. So if you would like to elaborate on what this might say, if you guys do speak Chinese and you live outside of China or live in China and are watching this, let us know. For now, we are going to crack this open. That says China Mobile. As you can see, it's in English. So we are going to see what is inside and what comes along in the retail packaging. Although we may not be able to even sell this ourselves, we will have to see. But this is the first time they have actually ever sent us this unit. So that's great. Some promotional material. They call it something Kindler or Kindler. Kindler? I really don't know. I don't know if that's a mistake or not. But that says, I can read that. That says China. Center country, China. So that is what they give you in there. We'll do some translation and let you guys know at a later date what all that says. So we're going to crack this open for the first time here. Very exciting stuff. Very exciting. Migu. All right. Oh no, it's stuck to the board. All right. What do we have inside here? You can see that it is still Seattle, Washington, USA. So it's the same core device. It's just this one has access to the store, the Migu store. Now, whether that actually carries over into you going, connecting it to other countries like Canada, America, Japan, etc., can you access the Migu store? We don't know yet, but it looks like the source material and the internal guidebook, or I guess quick start guide, is kind of catered towards that. It does say X Migu, so it gives you some light instructional information, some battery information, and a breakdown of what it can and can't do based on circles and X's. So again, we'll have to kind of translate that and see what's up. Maybe we'll just go to this website and then use the Google Translate script. So you get a USB cable, and funnily enough, this doesn't say Amazon or Kindle on it. Every other cardboard sleeve on an Amazon product said Amazon or Kindle somewhere on it on the front here. Whether you get a USB cable, a dongle, a quick charger, etc. So that's all that's in the box there. So we're going to move over to the device and check out what this looks like. Oh, so we do have branding on the back too. That's really cool. That's what I was kind of hoping for. So let's see. We're going to take this out. The bag is the exact same. You get the, for some reason, only Canada, America, and Japan recycling symbols. You don't get the Korean or EU recycling symbols, so that's kind of strange. Although they don't sell this in Japan, so don't know why they'd have that. So you do have a lot more certifications. Offhand, I don't know how many more that is, but that I don't ever remember it spanning side to side. So it looks like this had to go through a lot more red tape to get landed in China. I'm really not sure, but that is quite a bit of certifications. And the China Mobile Migu is lasered on there. It's not embossed, and you can't feel it. It's on there. It's lasered into the actual thing. So you get all the sides are clean. This thing's very light. It is not the flush screen and bezel version. And you get the micro USB status indicator and the power button on the bottom. That is it for the retail packaging. So you get the box, you get the user manual, you get the USB cable, and I'm not sure, but you may or may not get this promotional slip inside your device. So I hope this shows you guys what everything is going to come in the box, and stay tuned for another Throwback Thursday where we're actually going to review this because it is It is qualified under our Throwback Thursday program, which is 3 years or older. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or want to know what this does and doesn't do, let us know. For goodyreader.com, this is Peter.